All right, show me the cowboy dance. Show me the cowboy dance with the belt buckle. Go ahead, do it. Come on. Do it like you were doing it. You were doing it so good with kicking your legs out. You gonna do it with the face? You gotta grab your belt buckle, your big belt buckle, remember? Ready? Oh, watch your head. Is that the cowboy dance? That's great.
No, that's the dinosaur dance.
Well, good morning, just us and everything. It has been a couple of days. We have been a little busy. But I didn't want it to go too long on the channel without making another video because I want to just keep hitting the channel with more videos. Video. And then another video. Then more videos. So I'm going to try to make a video today. Not sure what's going to happen, as I always say. I know we're going to Kanga's. So I might take some video over there. Rest of the day is just kind of anything goes. Freezing outside. Absolutely freezing. Upper 30s, low 40s. For us in Houston, that is cold. Cold. We went on a night walk last night. I should have recorded some of that. That was kind of fun with our friends. And I was playing a monster chasing Pookie and her friend, and her two friends, around other people's yards. I'm sure a lot of ring cams saw some crazy stuff. Us running around and me acting like a monster. They would give me a sleep potion and then I would have to lay down. Not sure what I was laying in half the time because, you know, there's a lot of dogs in this neighborhood. Thankfully, didn't see anything on my clothes, but it just thought did cross my mind, especially in some of these yards around here. So anyways, that's the plan for today. Kanga's and something else. It's some sort of dinner, and I'm just going to start shooting clips because I got the time. And then we're going to make a video and post it tonight. And hopefully it's entertaining. I think you'll be entertained. We want to start visiting some roadside attractions. I bought a cool book about oddities in Texas. I love those kinds of videos. I love that kind of stuff. I mean, one of my most favorite YouTube video watching are people going on road trips and driving around and looking at all these old American relics and the old main streets. I think it's like some of the coolest stuff ever. And so, I plan on doing something similar and show off some of the areas around here. There's a place called Tomball, which has a really old city center, which is still very active. And it's beautiful. Beautiful old buildings. You know how they're all connected together. And some very famous locations over there. So, one of these days we're going to skedaddle over there. Is that the right word? Skedaddle. We're going to head over there. Record Tomball. Some of the other places, there's like Old Town Springs. Would like to go back to Old Town Springs. But anyways, a lot of stuff. A lot of fun. Keeping people interested. Keeping our family updated. And entertaining myself by making these videos. I have fun doing it. So, we'll see how it goes today. And glad you're coming along with us. And let's have fun today.
This is my pretty girl this morning who's been making cards and presents for everyone. What did you want to show me?
So I figured puppy dog.
Puppy dog? Oh, are you ready to go to Kanga's? You seem full of energy. Let's see. All right, so these are the Christmas cookies you made, huh? Well, with the Christmas cookie kit. So we got gingerbread man. We got Christmas trees. Very nice. Very pretty.
Look at the snow one. Look at the snow one on there.
Good designs, too.
Look at the snow one on there.
Yeah, you did a great job.
Let me see the snow.
Do you? Look like fun, huh? I better get...
We did blue and that. And we thought it's going to look really beautiful.
I think it does look very beautiful.
Was it?
Hey, Abby.
Bye.
No, not yet. She just came in. We'll get her shot ready. Abby has to get her insulin. We have to give her 2 shots a day. 1 shot in the morning, 1 shot at night. Hi. What are you up to? Huh? Well, we can't climb in there. It's a warmer. need to clean that out. Hi.
Love it when you realize that when you're making a video.
I don't get too bothered. This is real life. Real life is real life. Can't expect real life to look like anything else but real life. Yes, this is our early morning. I'm not doing a big breakfast this morning. We are just making bagels.
It's just
Dave's Bagels. For Mr. Bagels. This heater works really well. The reindeer has seen better days. There's a funny story behind this reindeer. Pookie wanted an inflatable reindeer. So we go on Amazon and we find this one. And you can't really see the scale of these things. So I thought it was just like a little inflatable thing. And this thing is huge. Its legs are even bent right now, but when it stands up, it's taller than me. Thought that was pretty funny. Wow, it is cold out here. Kind of eerie with the cold and the early morning and the sirens. I love the fresh, cold weather. And I love hiding out underneath this thing and keeping warm. It's very cozy. And a little bit of a Pookie room update. As they dramatically show off the desk. Oh, crap, what was that? That I finally put together. There it is. It's actually easier than I thought it would be. Looks good in here. It has been a little bit of a bumpy morning, but we are now finally heading out the door. Right? We have arrived at the Kangas. Let's see if they can get the door open themselves. Oh, wow. I guess I better go in and catch up. Hi!
I want to measure you.
Okay, we'll stand over here. We have to wait for Mommy and Sarah anyways. Go ahead, stand up.
No, I'm going to measure you.
Oh, I'm too big for it. See?
Sarah, you're right here.
Above it.
Patrick.
Yeah.
Yesterday I got my dentist cleaning on my teeth.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. I saw a picture. I saw your mommy sent a picture.
Hey, guess what? Guess what? I wasn't even scared.
That's
I
great.
did so good.
I
Oh,
saw-
and I got a new toothbrush. I got a new toothbrush. What's this, Lexi? And a new floss. And they gave me,
There they are.
Lexi. Hey, Lexi. Look at your feet. Lexi, what's this? Guess
Joe.
what? I was sitting next to it.
I know.
Hey, Lexi, what's this?
All right.
Toothbrush, too. Okay, Lexi.
At least we can put Gabe in the toddler.
This. My shoes, my
All right, Gaby. Whoop, whoop.
Mommy, you're naughty.
All right, come on, guys. Come on, buddy. It's all right.
You're a piece of cake.
He doesn't need his shoes on anymore. Come here, Gaby. Take off your shoes. Hold on. Okay. All right. Can I have your shoe? What is that?
Good in his
Okay.
hair.
Ready to go?
Yeah. We said yeah.
Come on, sweet baby. Come on. Gabriel.
Monstrous. monstrous Kanga's playground. This is not like Kidtastic. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Kangas, this is Kangas. Come on, come down the big slide. All right, go. Who's brave enough to go down the red slide?
Huh? I want to do it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're gonna do it, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you all right? All right, Lexi.
Ready to fast?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Watch this.
Wow.
Daddy, is it really fast?
Yeah, you want to try? Or are you scared?
Over here. You can slide out underneath me. And when Mom goes, I'll come up. Pookie, I'm coming up. I'll be up. Wait for me.
I don't think she's comfortable doing it just yet. It's all right. If you don't feel pressured. You don't have to be pressured to do it, baby. I don't think you're supposed to go up that way, sweetie. They get upset. They say no climbing up. Item number 4 says no climbing up. So you might get in trouble. Watch out, here she comes. All right, you guys, I gotta put your shoes down, Pooks, and then nice, easy going jazz music.
I know someone.
Then it's got horrible taste. We just asked her to pick a color.
Okay. Maybe will you take?
I'm like the obnoxious vlogger, right?
I know.
We can go like over there. So
All right. I know someone that tried. They tried.
Daddy, you cannot see us.
What?
You cannot see us, okay?
Okay.
Try to hide.
Okay, I can't see you.
Daddy, try to look for us.
I can't.
Go to the bouncy house.
I can see you over here. I see you.
Another thing is like I don't really like style, and I don't keep up with trends either. I just do what I like.
I literally wear the same pants,
And
the same type of shirt every
If I
day.
find something I like, I just get up.
I wouldn't even know style if it hit me in the face.
Not style.
Yeah.
Yeah. They do.
You gonna go in there?
Go.
You gonna do it?
Go.
Oh God.
Oh man, here they come. I would be very afraid, Gabriel. He's changing his mind.
he's like, well, that settles it. We are not going in.
He'll try. It's a little warm, but it feels good. I'm comfortable. Ooh, pretty song you played. What's your Coke? It's behind Sarah.
Oh, my Coke?
Yeah. Wait, he's about to. Here he goes. There he goes. He's going down one way or another. Oh yeah. That's for people who are. You have to be 5 years old to climb this. I know you want to go, but we can't go in there. Go there. I wish we could, but we can't. But you could go over there. I know it's rough being 1 year old, isn't it? We're gonna do all this big kid stuff and you can't yet. Get nervous. I did. A large.
I don't want to be totally redundant on what I ordered.
Is that big enough for them?
I don't know.
I got a fries for Rochelle and I for the sandwich, and then fries for Lexi and Pookie. You want me to pick you up? Huh? All right, buddy.
When you're older, you have a sister you can do this. Hold on tight, Pookie. Hold on to my hip.
Well, this is something I have never seen before. There is literally a random door halfway up this wall. What in the heck is up there? Some like super secret room that you can only get to the ladder. Right above the bathroom area. I have to ask them what that door is for. That is really interesting. I have never seen that before. And I've been here about 1,000 times.
Super inexpensive water. And when I started traveling, getting Lexi to understand this better, so I feel like
So they just explained to me that that door had something to do with there being a second story here before. I don't think I'm buying it.
she gets it. She knows
We'll have to
the
find
rules.
out. I'm curious.
But then into the butter tree, it doesn't click. So then I go and I find the book, and I find
Right.
other worksheets that go through the butter.
Okay. Yeah,
Hi. Kangas. I guess we should ask about the pirate ship. The almighty, the all-encompassing, the all-exciting. Pookie's favorite ride. What?
You have to not film us. You have to try, you have to look around and see if you can find us.
Okay. I'm looking around for them. Pirate ship rules. 12 people max. Cannot be over 200 pounds. Always stay seated. Wait for the ride to come to a full and complete stop. Everybody serves sentados, por favor. The staff tells you where to sit. Hands inside the boat at all times. There be squalls ahead, and Davy Jones waiting. Don't obey. That's a little bit of Disneyland, Pirates of the Caribbean for you. Yes, it is always flowing through my mind, one way or another.
I think I see Lexi.
Oh boy, what you doing over there? It's good to see you, pal. I found you. Hi.
Wait, you found us?
Yeah, obviously. Don't you see me looking at you and you're looking at me? I was looking at you.
Count.
One.
You're playing hide and seek.
Okay, go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Air conditioner or heating unit. I think that's a heating unit. Where was it? 7, 8, 9, 10. Dude, look. You guys just walked around in one big circle and then came back to the same spot you started out on. And you're hiding in the same place. Crazies. I found you, by the way.
No, you escaped. You
What?
cheated.
I didn't cheat.
You cheated.
I counted.
You cheated.
I did not. You guys, I counted
you
to 10.
should have counted to 100.
I would be here all day.
Not tonight.
Ah, I see you. I see Lexi's face.
Not here.
That was a great hiding spot, though. I didn't know. I was like, where are they? Good job.
Oh, it's a slide, Daddy.
This is a great screen. That is funny. Old debugging information from Pac-Man. So we're talking about something from the 80s.
Hold on. Okay, you can go. All the way to the top. Let's go. Why, push on the leg.
Keep going. Now go up more.
Look. Oh, you good
Oh, you
job.
almost made it to the top.
Good job, Lexi.
Oh, don't flip me.
There you go, sit, Lexi.
Have you ever done it? No? All you have to do is secure you on your hands first, and then you push with the legs to go up. Okay? You
It's
can
like climbing a ladder, boots. Really fancy ladder.
the legs allow you to go up. Push with the legs. Yeah, you're doing good. Keep going. All right, keep going, keep going. You're doing good. Take your time. Find somewhere to go with your legs.
There you go, right there.
Push. Yeah, all right. One more. Push.
Come on, Pookie, you can do it. Yay! She touched the top.
Let go.
Let go, baby.
Let go.
Whoa!
Good job.
You went all the way to the top, Pookie. Good job, baby.
Lexi, do this wall.
What? You went all the way to the top, yeah. Pookie did, yeah.
So the same wall for you?
Good job, baby. Good job. You went all the way up there, baby.
I'll do it. Yeah, too.
You're what? You're a good dragon? All right, Lexi.
Yeah, but come a long way because they never would have tried this previously.
That makes me nervous. I start getting shaky when they get up above that window right there.
It actually takes a lot of abs.
Hmm?
It actually takes a lot of ab muscle. Like, you need a big strong ab. We can't have
Hands
grab
up.
the orange one.
Yeah, the orange, yeah.
Come on, you can do it. There you go.
Hands up, hands up.
There you go.
Yeah.
Put your foot on the green. Now the blue. There you go.
Hands up, hands up. Hands up.
Right there, up to
Go
the...
to the white.
That's the white.
It's the white one.
One hand up.
One hand into the white.
It's okay, take your time. You can make it. Yeah.
Yay! You did it!
You're at the top.
That's it.
There you go.
Oh, that's the very top. Good job.
Okay, come down.
Jump. Yeah, good job. You did good. Okay, you want to go one more time?
You want to try again, Pookie, or no? Okay.
You're done? Hey, she tried it though. She went to the top.
Yeah, you did.
Daddy, are you proud of me?
I'm very proud of you. You did such a good job. You were so brave, too. Huh? What? I don't know how. Why you're gonna be on a ship that's blasting music. All right, just pretend I am. Okay. I'm the Grinch. Now your turn. All right, Mommy does it first.
Mommy, please one time.
Come on.
You gotta show
You gotta do it. You gotta do it. You both gotta do it. Come on.
Mommy, come on. Come on. Come on.
Ready?
What do I do?
Do the. Show Mommy what you do.
Whatever you want. We can do different dances, okay?
Okay, ready, go.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Daddy, come on.
What else did I do?
Come on. Daddy,
What?
don't film right now.
Oh, okay.
Ready? And action.
Dad, come on. Did you like it,
I love it. I love your dances.
Mama?
I love you.
Good morning, Mr. Nap. I mean, good afternoon. Good evening.
Oh, let's do another dance, okay?
He just woke up from a nap. He's really sleepy.
Look at Pookie.
Well, that's all for this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. Also hit that notifications button. And we will see you soon. Have a good day, everyone.